The Constitution of India. Part 3. Fundamental Rights. Cultural and Educational Rights. Article 30. Right of minorities to establish and administer educational institutions. 1. All minorities, whether based on religion or language, shall have the right to establish and administer educational institutions of their choice. In making any law providing for the compulsory acquisition of any property of an educational institution, established and administered by a minority, referred to in Clause 1. The state shall ensure that the amount fixed by or determined under such law, for the acquisition of such property, is such, as would not restrict or abrogate, the right guaranteed under that clause. 2. The state shall not, in granting aid to educational institutions, discriminate against any educational institution, on the ground that it is under the management of a minority, whether based on religion or language.